Well, good morning, guys. Wandering Beast here, and I've got a little bit of time this morning. The sun's coming up, starting to melt the frost off, and I'm doing an experiment on the bus. You'll see that in another video, but the video of this is called Scrubber Wiper Blades, or Scrubba Wiper Blades. Now, I have this amazing app while I had time to kill this morning, and it's called Time Hop. It goes back in your social media posts and things that got backed up to the cloud 1 and 3 and 12 years ago, and it lets you know exactly what you're up to on this day in history. And it reminded me that a couple years ago, I purchased Scrubba Wiper Blades. I took a trip to Portland, stopped by Lolo Overland. They've got all sorts of amazing stuff. And I think I was purchasing something else. And I saw these sitting on the counter and I was like, I want those. I need wiper blades for the adventure bus. Let's give these a shot. Now, first of all, let's talk about price. These were $20. Now, I will let you know, I just bought the cheapest ones I could find for my mom's car the other day at O'Reilly's. They were like 15 bucks. So 20 bucks is really not too bad. I'll try to find some links and see if they're the same price now. But I know from experience and just seeing what was on the market, you can get the Bosch Ultra Mega Extremes that are like close to $30 a piece. So it's like $60 for your car. I hope those certainly last longer than these. But Scrubber Wiper Blades, the idea is, I'll put in some photos, it's a twin blade system, and it's got little ripples on it, little bumps that help bite in and remove mud and bugs and bird crap that I was dealing with this morning, and keeps your window clean. Now, obviously, through all of our winter crazy adventures, our summer crazy adventures, these have been through a lot. Your wiper blades go through hell. Now, let's see what they look like after 2 years. Well, I'm not sure how well you'll be able to see how dirty this is, covered in, bugs and bird crap, and how clean this side is. Okay, it's giving you a close-up of what we're looking at. This is all about 2 years on the rig, and you can see kind of the bumps that are designed to break up the bugs and the bird crap and everything else. And if you come from the end, some of the photos you can put into the new shots, but it's effectively a twin blade design. And although I've never noticed any of the performance degradation, I am noticing the rubber itself is starting to let go. Down here in the cracks, where it's constantly bending, they're very flexible, so they're constantly squeegeeing and moving and trying to break up all the bugs and everything on the window. And at that hinge point, it's starting to show a little cracks and some wear. So 2 years, now that close-up look there, I didn't realize they were that bad. They are still performing really, really well. They don't squeak, they don't streak. I didn't notice any extra rubber. There's that little piece at the end that's starting to break there. And honestly, because the twin blade, I think maybe they're compensating for maybe one over the other. But I think it's probably time to upgrade again. I'll probably go with the same ones. Honestly, I've been really happy with them. In the winter, they clear snow and ice, etc. The bugs, as long as it's fresh, they do really well. The bird crap that was on my truck from a couple days ago has since cooked on there, and it definitely took a little bit to get that off. Now, I had struggled to find anyone or any wiper that could get it off any better. Even at the gas station, sitting there scrubbing with the hand one, it's not going to come off very well. So there's some things you really have to kind of attack. But if you're on a road trip and you're going through a buggy area next to, we've got the Klamath Basin, and it's notorious for getting bugs all over your car. It keeps your windows clean and clear. And that's the important thing, through the mud and everything else. If you can't see the road or the trail or anything else, then it's just not safe. And I think for the price, they're pretty good. I'm curious, let me know what you guys are running, as I will be probably purchasing another pair of these if I don't find anything better or more curious to try down the road. Might have to make another trip up to Lolo Overland and see if they still carry those. But I've been very happy with them. Again, leave your comments down below. Let me know if you've tried these or if you've found the best wiper blade out there. Maybe we'll do some more experimenting down the road. But Wandering Beast, guys, I'm going to sign this off, make it a quick video. Take care. We'll see you down the road. What does this take? Like 12? Holy shit.
Thanks for all the love and support. You guys are amazing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow the adventure on social media, and we'll see you on the road.